If you own or manage a paid group, welcome to use our paid group feature. This feature can help you promote your paid group, invite and manage new members quickly and easily. Before we start, let's understand the definition of a paid group first. A paid group refers to a group or community that requires payment to join. There are many forms of groups, such as Telegram groups, Discord channels, etc. Our paid group feature is currently for Telegram groups. If you want to sell other forms of groups, you can sell them by listing digital goods. Follow me and see how to use the paid group feature on iDataRiver's. Telegram paid group usage process. Open your Telegram group, edit group info. Make sure your group is private mode. If not, change it into private. Add an administrator. You can add the platform provided official free Telegram bot by searching iDataRiver_bot. Or add your merchant customized Telegram bot as well. And it will automatically become a member of your group. Let's go back to iDataRiver to create a paid group product. Create a project. Go to the Console Merchant Center, click to create a project, and select paid group as the product type. Once created, click on the project to enter the management page. Fill in basic project information. On the project homepage, you can complete the relevant configurations. You can upload your project's cover image and click Save to apply the changes. Go to Products, add Group Membership List. Click the Copy command button and send the copied content to the group by admin account. Then the bot will reply to you with the configuration parameters. Click on this text to copy it. Paste it here. Days membership validity period days. Enter 0 for a lifetime membership and 30 for a membership that will be automatically removed after 30 days. Change status to online and save it. We should configure a pricing plan. Each paid group for online sale must be bound to a pricing plan. Therefore, you need to create a pricing plan on the project management page and bind it to the corresponding paid group product. Finally, let's publish the project. Go to the project homepage and set the status to online to complete the listing. The platform will automatically generate the project homepage based on the product configuration information. How to get your product link. Under this page, click View, and you'll see the product page. Copy the link and send it to your consumers. If I'm a consumer, when I get a new paid group membership link from a merchant, open the link, click Start, and I can see the product. After purchase, I'll get a redemption code. Click to copy the redemption code below and send it back to the bot. If you want to buy the group membership for your friends, you can send the redemption code to your friends. They can contact the bot themselves and send the redemption code, and then they will get the invitation link to the paid group. If I have already joined this paid group, when I purchase the group membership item again, the robot will directly extend the validity period of the membership for me. That's all for today. Welcome to Take a Try. Follow us. There will be more features and operation instructions later.